The beans been spilled, the cat out of the bag, and don't take it out on the family pet. It's not their fault the bag was open. Y'all know what beans are, don't y'all? Hecky, yeah, you do. Whoever this is who listening, but these beans, these Skittles, they teaching you something about self-love. I'm feeling like this is some past regression that's coming up for somebody. You hear me? They about to be taken out of the community. They about to be taken away from a support system. You know, those who are supporting these habitual habits. There is a man who is absolutely, definitely afraid of some woman's ancestors. He's scared. He don't even want to argue no more because he's done some things to this woman, and he know he reaping what he has sown. Rather, he's under judgment. He in the doghouse too. And I'm hearing spirit say it's about got darn time that this woman put this man in the doghouse, shedding and dead and some shit. It's about to be a weeding of the herd. You hear me? This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. Something about a pot of roast beef and some potatoes and some carrots around these parts. Hearty meals is what I just heard. Somebody been trying to, fatten themselves up because they have been dealt a raw deal from, fucking around raw while they on them Skittles and shit. This has already been illuminated to them. The mask already came off and shit. You know what I'm talking about? It's somebody young that they was fucking with, who positive that, you know, it's somebody that they was dealing with when they was younger that they didn't bent the corner again, and started dealing with them when they was on the outs with somebody who is also a culprit. It's just like a den of sin is what I'm hearing. Somebody got booted up out of the love circle too, and I feel like this the final draw after they done drained them of all their resources and their energy and shit. You know what I'm talking about? Somebody like, damn, you really are a peel head is what I just heard. This man trying to be on a straight and narrow, and whoever this woman is, you know what I'm talking about, she can't kick the bucket. I mean, can't kick the habit and fuck around and damn, y'all heard what I said. Y'all heard what I said. Somebody right now, kind of like in the Ten of Swords and shit, trying to come up with some money, trying to move. They just broke up with they karmic thing. The relationship is ending. They done bent the corners too many times, is what the G's is saying. So now this fake ass unrequited love cycle is closing because, whoever this woman is, it's time for her to dry out, is what the G said. And I'm hearing something about get it wet. Twister. Twister. Twister weather. Something like a fucking goddamn storm. And that storm can be in the form of a tower. And it's like, the house of cards is falling. The house of cards falling. You hear me? The house of cards falling. Because the money gone. The money gone. That's what the Jesus saying. The money gone and somebody siphoned that shit up real quick. Somebody snorkel when they laugh. You know what I'm saying? That's what I just hear. They snorkel when they laugh. And it's something about scuba diving. Scuba diving. Somebody's nickname can be Scuba, is what I just heard. Somebody's nickname can be Scuba. Look, here's this moving. This already didn't fell into play, though. This woman should be happy, is what I'm hearing, because now she should be able to work on herself. But she upset about, not being able to party with this man anymore. And, it's like, it's some corrupt energy that has entered her personal realm of being. She done got some bad news, and it's about to cause some definite delays in her sex life. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, it's about to cause some delays in her sex life. I'm hearing something about physical abuse, okay? It's been on a lightweight hush because the extent to this abuse This woman been taking this abuse, so she can continue on with this drug habit because this is the dispenser. Spiritual blessings that have been blocked. You hear me? Spiritual blessings that have been blocked because I'm hearing, whoever this man was acquainted with prior to this woman, her spiritual practices, she already read into this man's life and who was coming and who was going and who was coming and who the fuck she was gonna make flee, right? This nigga, listen, he hip. He hip. He hip to what his ex used to do. That's why he got little. That's why he got little. So listen, happy feelings. Happy feelings. Happy feelings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like, on this shit brick road, somebody was going through a maze, but this maze should have looked familiar. Because these happy feelings always ended in betrayal. And these endings were for new beginnings. All the bad news I'm hearing, was for a new beginning. There's some desolation that's been on this woman's trail when it comes to her family. I'm hearing that these relationships has weakened the family bond. And these drugs has made her weak. They made her weak. So she jonesing. She jonesing. She jonesing. Mm-hmm. She jonesing, and it's something that she hasn't spoke on when it comes to this money. She kind of like mute when somebody walking around talking about, I can't find this, that, and the third. You hear me? I can't find this, that, and the third. This woman's energy is up and down too. When she get her fix, she cool in the game. Mm-hmm. When she get her fix, she cool in the game. So this woman's child, hip to the tricks of her trade now, knows when she's, under the influence of this substance. Oh, knows when she's under the influence of this substance. And also, just now coming to an understanding of the meaning of this connection with this man. It's been some word on the street, some word traveling through the family that the mother has not spoken on. About why she departed from this man, about why this relationship fell apart. They go in their own separate directions, but this woman, when it comes to a road less traveled, she's not excited about this move. She's not excited about this end. She's not excited about I'm hearing her coming up out of a babe's mouth, one of her children. Okay, she might have multiple children. Trying to speak some life into her existence because they like, we know it's something going on. You behaving differently. It's something that's incomplete with a healthy conversation with this moment, with this mama at this moment. I feel like it's an intervention about to go on. I feel like it's an intervention about to go on because somebody's dirty laundry was aired, and then I'm hearing too, somebody hanging their clothes out on the line to dry too. You hear me? So it's a this woman trying to duck and dodge somebody too. She's trying to duck and dodge somebody too, and then it's like this hook, line, and sink effort that there's a man who is behaving like he's a gentleman, masquerading like he a gentleman, and this woman already know it's a bad combo. This is another party animal. This is another person who has these downfalls with these habits. So he calculating his money and he know who was around. He calculating his money and he know who was around. Then I'm hearing somebody was playing possum. Somebody was playing possum. Somebody was playing possum. He called. I heard something about whooping with a belt. Right. These the type of physical the physical altercations that this woman has with this man. He treats her like a child, but he knows that she be jonesing for this drug, y'all. You hear me? He knows it, so he uses it to his advantage. But it's like, she got these plans. You hear me? She got these plans. She feel like it's like, she in pain because she can't get this drug. She in pain because she can't get this drug, and she has a very addictive behavior, and she's been clinging on to some sort of hope for this relationship. It's about pouring her own cup, filling her own cup up with love is what I just heard, yup. And shedding and deading these demons. And this is something that's about to resurface. Someone is about to resurface. You hear me? Someone is about to resurface. So this woman, they've dealt with one another before. They've had some issues when it comes to relationships and shit. Stepping on one another's toes, backdooring one another, screwing with one another's men. Screwing with one another's men. But look, I'm hearing too, when it comes to this last fight, the woman that was called, you can't recognize, analyze, and realize that this woman is a frenemy. So this discussion at this house is happening. It's coming soon. The youngest, I heard the youngest girl, she got something to say in a loving way.